Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just coming up the road here, and of course, further ahead of me I cannot remember what it's called. But luckily I do know where I am trying to go to, so guess that's good. Got for my hotel there. Still shut, sadly. Thought they'd open by now, but apparently not. Will you slow down? Got to walk a bit faster now because Sue wants to be in the video, but when she gets in the video, then all the thumbnails for the video end up being pictures of Sue, which I do not want. Okay, I'm trying to work out a sort of route now to go filming. Just sort of coming onto the pedestrian strip. I think I'll take quite a walk up here, walk up quite a bit, cut off onto one of the other roads, then head onto Avenida de Rufasa, and we've ended up in town. Got the Christmas village there, free to go in, but I do imagine you'll probably need a COVID passport to go round that. Not sure. This new rule is rather confusing. It does state that a COVID passport is required to enter any bar in Spain, but nowhere to the lie, guys. I have seen numerous bars that haven't even got the poster up, so are they breaking the law, or are they just standing up and saying, well, like, we own a business? Like, if we put that poster up in our window, we're probably going to die. Like, I don't know, guys. Spain's a very funny place, to be fair. I do love Spain, don't get me wrong, but it's just weird. Like, the rules, the law, all that. Oh, looks like the shop there, Daima, is one in, one out. Because, I mean, look at the queue. that's probably for Boxing Day sales. Think I'll cut off down by Benidorm Pizzeria and Kebab Shop. Had a few meals in there and we were staying on Jamie Avenue. Very good restaurant, that. Very good food. But I've got to admit, guys, the best kebab shop is, of course, Ali Baba's. But sadly, I can't go there because, of course, I identify as a non-vaxxer. Not going to get the jab. Don't care what they say either. I'm not going to get it. You've even tried to scaremonger me into getting it, saying, you know, people who have not had the jab and they've died or caught COVID. When I know people who have had the jab and they've died and caught COVID. So, yeah. Funny that, isn't it? A jab that's meant to save us all from COVID is killing more people than the actual bug itself. I mean, that's the jab's motto. Get your COVID jab and drop dead within 2 weeks of having it. Oh, goddamn. I think I'll go down this side, past Vapor Bros. Nice vape shop there. Wouldn't go there though, because that's one of the shops that con me the once. I went in to buy a new battery for my vape, and let's just say it completely destroyed my vape. The battery I've been sold was pretty much a dud. Like, it didn't work. I took it to the vape shop inside the indoor market, and the guy was like, just avoid that vape shop, because I do try to con you, apparently. So, yeah. From now on, if I need like anything for me vape, I will probably use the indoor market vape shop. Anyway, and that story just coming down nearer towards town now. Just show you that's in the next gift shop. Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy Definitive Edition, €60 for PS4. Not bad, that. Not some bad offers in there. We'll be heading back down Avenue de Roof as an R1 tomorrow. Here we are. Back onto Avenue de Roof as a nice restaurant there. Anyway, I've probably said this already in a video, but everyone, I really do hope you had an absolutely brilliant Christmas. I also hope you all have a brilliant New Year as well. Over there is what I like to call Tupper Square. Sorry about that, guys. Nice Japanese restaurant there. Think it's like a ramen restaurant. Looks pretty nice. Looks Japanese styled as well. I wouldn't mind trying a Japanese restaurant, but some of the ones I've seen, they're too expensive. Plus, some of the ones I have seen as well just do sushi, fish dishes, etc. Not really what I like. I have seen one though which isn't too far from us, and they do some stuff I like the chicken in a lemon sauce. Anyway, finally back down in town by Al Hop, and this will be where I end the video today. Smash the like, subscribe, I'll see you in next one.